Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Taurus. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or Venus sitting in the sign of Taurus, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Five of Cups. Something has recently happened. It could be, either in your professional life or in your love life. You guys could be in no communication zone. You might not be discussing or talking with each other. Uh, Maybe there's a fight that has happened, or there's something in your relationship that has changed, and it's sort of making you very sad, so you don't feel very positive about the entire situation at the moment, and you're waiting for that one communication, you're waiting for that one kind of signal from your person, that's going to move things ahead in terms of your future. So for some of you, I can also feel like you've been waiting for this person to make an offer to you, or to give you a proposal, but they haven't been doing that, and that's making you feel sort of like all over the place, and you're unable to decide, or you're unable to figure out what is going on in their head. The next card that I have for you guys is the Justice card. What you want right now is you want things to be in a balance, because right now, being in a no communication zone, not able to understand what's going on in this person's mind, is kind of making you feel very agitated. So it's like your emotions are all over the place. You could be dealing with a Libra sign, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, a Pisces, or a Scorpio. You could also be dealing with a Virgo for some reason. I'm thinking a Virgo or a Gemini are also possibilities that you could be dealing with. But the Justice card, coming up here, is you want things to be in balance, and things are going to be in balance, but it's going to take a little while. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Page of Pentacles, which tells me that you are spending quite a lot of time working on yourself. So what you have done is you have given this relationship or this situationship a pause. Despite wanting this person to come back to communicate with you, you are trying your best to give them space, and you are doing whatever you can to keep yourself engaged in other things, so you don't think about this person too much. Let's see what other cards I am getting for you. For a lot of you, I think recently there is a situation like something must have happened. You might have recently broken up with this person with the Five of Cups card, and you are wanting justice to be served because you invested a lot of time, you did a lot of things, and you want things to move ahead, to work out in your favor. The next card that I have for you is the Two of Swords. See, Two of Swords, again, the same card. What it's telling you is that there's a state of confusion, there's a state where you're unable to focus, despite coming up with different kind of things to focus on, reading, watching TV, watching Netflix. It's COVID, so you can't really go out, but you are picking up new hobbies. You might be spending a lot of time all by yourself to grow yourself. You could be reading a lot of books, as suggested by this card, but you are definitely in a state of confusion, and you don't know what is going to go happen ahead, or what you can do about it. The next card I have for you is the Chariot card. So the Chariot card coming up here is that you are ready to take a direction. You want your relationship to take direction. Now the thing to be seen is you have the Justice card. Again, you want justice to be served. You want a balance in this situation. You have the Chariot card, is that you have already set your goals. So I think this might have been the last ultimatum you've given your person, whether they want to choose you, or they want to move ahead, or whatever they want to do. And you are finally clearing up your energy. You want to get out of this confusion. Like, even with this card, you wanted to be at peace. It's not giving you peace, it's still the confusion, the card of confusion that's coming. And that is something you need to do. You need to find a balance. I think two of you might have had arguments. You might have said some things to each other that you're not very proud of at the moment, but moving forward, you want things to move ahead. You want to either move with this person, or you just want to leave this person and move ahead. So those are the two things that I am seeing. And at the bottom of the deck, I have the Ace of Swords, which tells me you are going to get the breakthrough. That means you are going to get your answer. If you have been waiting for a communication from your person, I do see it coming towards you. I would say, like, there's a 95% chance that this person is going to reach out and is going to give you the closure that you need, so you can move ahead, you can plan things moving forward. Let's see what other messages I have for you guys. This seems like a very interesting pile. Some of you might also be dealing with some kind of legal cases. That is also what I'm seeing. And you feel sort of alone. You feel like you have been betrayed. You're working on some legal cases. You are going to move ahead. You are going to figure it out. I understand there's confusion, but you are definitely going to figure out. The next card that I have for you is the Lovers card. That means you are going to find your inner peace. So the Lovers card a lot of times does not only mean that you're going to find another person, but within yourself you are going to find the peace that you are seeking, because these two cards are all about peace. You want peace. You want to be happy all by yourself. Let's see what other card I'm getting. The next card that I have for you is the Page of Wands. That means you are going to start something new. You're going to put your energy, you're going to put your efforts, you're going to put your energy into starting something new, starting something by yourself, using your own passion, using your own will. And you have been inspired. Maybe you'll meet somebody. This is also kind of inspiration, when you get inspired, when your soul gets inspired. So these two cards, that's a lot of energy that is coming towards your way. So for singles, are you going to meet a person? Yes, you guys are going to meet a person. Singles might also need to travel. um, Singles could also be spending a lot of time learning about their person, or somebody that they have a crush on. So definitely you're going to be doing that. I'm also seeing a lot of singles could also be sexting their person, so exchanging a lot of hot sexy messages. The next card that I have for you is Ace of Wands. That means definitely you guys are going to start something new. Now, you are spending your time. So we are done with these cards, but let's take a look at these cards at the bottom. So you're going to be spending a lot of your time researching. Page of Pentacles tells me when it comes to your love life, I think you want to move ahead. And right now, despite this being a love reading, your attention has moved towards your professional life, or towards wanting stability in your in your finances, in your money. And you're going to be doing a lot of research. Possibility for a lot of people, you are going to end up in a partnership. You will be starting a partnership, whether you do it with your friend. For singles, it could mean you are going to partner up with another person. For people who are in a relationship and going through a legal battle or something, I think you are going to make it work. You are going to find the balance that you are seeking. Let's see from what love messages do I have for you guys. The first card that I have for you guys is deception. There has been some kind of deception. Remember when we were talking here, someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. Remember when I said something must have happened? Well, I was talking about some kind of deception, some kind of manipulation, no communication. Like you were not really sure what this person was doing, and you were completely left in the dark when they stopped talking to you. And that's why you want closure, you want balance in this relationship. The next card that I have for you is honeymoon. So a lot of new people, remember, enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. You could be traveling. I said travel for someone. I also said for some of you people, you might be sexting, and that is your honeymoon period. That is exactly what honeymoon period is all about, exploring, getting flirty, and just being with your partner and trying to get to know them a little better. Let me know, guys, if this reading resonates. Don't forget to check out your other readings, and I'll see you next time.